Here are the top 4 reasons why augmented reality will optimize your manufacturing operations. Number 1. Increase manufacturing throughput. With AR, you can provide clear, step-by-step assembly instructions and remote guidance to help boost productivity and reduce avoidable errors. Number 2. Accelerate training. As many manufacturing experts approach retirement, AR technology can capture and transfer their knowledge to the next generation. AR can also accelerate the learning curve of new hires through real-time, interactive 3D digital training. Number 3. Reduce costs. AR provides unprecedented clarity into processes, and integrated IoT data enables quick reactions to problems and allows you to address issues before they occur. Number 4. Improve operator efficiency and safety. AR provides step-by-step instructions for everything from assembly processes to machine setup, changeover, and maintenance. Real-time visual directions reduce the time spent interpreting instructions, improve productivity, and enhance overall worker safety. Augmented reality enhances the entire manufacturing process, from improving throughput to accelerating training, reducing costs, and improving operator performance. AR will change the way you do business. Learn more about the power of augmented reality for manufacturing at ptc.com/AR for business.